Hello artists, how are you today? Stephanie Aune coming to you from the banks of the Trinity River here near Willow Creek, California. Oz and I welcome you to the studio and we are very happy you are here with us today. We are. It is early morning for me. I'm not even sure. It might be 8 o'clock. Not positive. I finished this guy up yesterday, so I thought I would do a quick little intro video for you. This is the background or the back side of this piece. Remember, this one was done with the alcohol inks. And I decided to leave this side as is because truly it is perfection. I think the colors are gorgeous and I really love the piece. Hi. What, you want to say hi? Or you want to go back outside? We just woke up. I just woke up. I'm still in my PJs. What are you doing, kid? You got goobers in your eyes. Eyes. Oh, thank you. You're a good boy. So, hi. Now you got goobers on your head from your eyes. Yes, you do. Yeah, you gonna come up? Oh, you are. Hi. Hi, baby cakes. Wrapped up in my blankie because it's a little chilly this morning, but I don't want to put on a heater because then it heats up the house too much because it's going to be a warm day outside. We have 40 to 50 degree nights and then we have 70, 80 degree days. So that's our beautiful spring weather. What are you doing, bud? I just want to go play. Oh. I just want to go play. Okay, let's get back to the intro. Yes, kid. He's sitting there looking at me. Okay, this is an image of Georgia O'Keeffe. And definitely an inspirational artist for me, and her artwork is really fabulous. Amazing colorist, and she did do quite a bit of groundbreaking. Became one of the first female artists that were really well known. And people say that that was because she had a male artist as a lover. So, you know, it's the art world has always had a hard time allowing female artists to shine. And she was groundbreaking in that respect. So you'll see this video put together. I'm just collaging it. These are some deli papers. These are actually strips of her paintings. I had done a page in, I think it's in the Golden Altered Book. That was an ode to Georgia O'Keeffe. And you can find that in the Golden Altered Book playlist if you're interested. It's a 6-door layout. And the doors are all based off of her flower paintings. So those are a couple pieces left over from those. But all right, guys. I think it turned out really interesting. So I hope you enjoy it. We'll chat soon. Bye. Hello, artists. Okay, I think this is the one I'm going to work with. I don't want to mess with this front. I love that just the way it is. I don't think it needs a single thing more to it. This is the back side of it. Now, this was the drop cloth for that. This is the deli sheet that I made off of it. And then I have just some basic gold ones. And I actually even have this one. Made this the other day when I was working on some small art. So I have some little deli sheets. I have this picture of Georgia O'Keeffe. Oh, it's larger than I thought. Dance with the waves, move with the sea, let the rhythm of the water set your soul free. Or there's nothing prettier in the whole wide world than a girl in love with every breath she takes. think I like that one better. There's a lot of spacing in between there, so I'm going to cut off the person who made the quote. Atticus. Purposely cutting it a little bit wonky. Because unless you're going to get it perfect, don't make it perfect. You know, if you're going to, you know, get out your swoopy and cut it down to perfect size, that's one thing. If you are not planning on doing that, then don't. Now this color, this is just a piece of painted manila folder, it looks like. That's also wonky. These are very much so Georgia colors. I like that. Okay.